Hey guys, Brittany here for Tech Tip Tuesday, and I've got some more Google Lens tips for you. Today these are focused on homework help. So if you install Google Lens and you look at the bottom, you'll see the menu where you can slide and select what function you want. If I go to homework and then I take a picture of my homework question, this will search for some resources that can help me answer that question. So you can see here it's suggesting some sites that might help me out, and I can scroll through my search results and find all kinds of resources to help me answer that question. And this works for all kinds of subjects. You'll notice I have a literature question for the first example, but now I've moved on, I've got a math question, and it'll do the same thing. And what's nice about this is it doesn't just give you the answer, it'll give you a way to search for the solution, how they got that answer. So this is great homework help, especially while lots of students are working from home. Hopefully this tip helps you guys out. If you like it, make sure that you share it with other people that could use it. Make sure you like and subscribe as well for more great tech tips from Tracksoft.